we go, Carp fans. Friday, 25th of July. Myself and James, we're down here, Pueblo Reservoir. You know, we've come down here on a Friday afternoon, 100 degrees, and we're fishing for carp. We've got both our rods out a piece, so 4 rods between us, fishing panquotes pack, sweet corn, and some of James's cinnamon boilies to start off with. It is a ridiculously hot day, so we're taking shelter under the old sport umbrella, and hopefully we'll get some carp on. CarpQuest. Well, carp fans, it's only 12:30. We haven't had our baits out there for 45 minutes, and James is fish on. Wow, look at his ugly stick bend there. That is some powerful fish. Good man, James. There we go, not even 12:30. James had a quick run and had a nice 7 pound and some change common landed. Then his other rod tore off, so I'm trying to deal with that one. And then one of my rods tore off, so we had 3 fish on at once. This guy, 8 pounds 6 ounces. What a nice Pueblo common carp. You know, not bad. Hey, the day's off and running at Pueblo. Well, carp fans, total madness here at Pueblo. You know, we had 3 fish on at once. James managed to land the first one, 7 pound common. One of my rods took off, I managed to land that one. That was an 8 pound 6 common. And then the third fish on sadly cut us off by the looks of it on the rocks. But, you know, 3 fish, Pueblo does it again. It does not fail to give, I tell you. So we got the rods baited back up, got the rigs repaired, tossed them back out there, and see if we can get some more. CarpQuest. Well, carp fans, it's 5 to 1. James is in again. Hasn't even finished repairing his last rig, and he's got another fish on. Let's see what he gets this time.
No.
Well, a nice fish.
My little girl can see it on YouTube.
Well
That's
done.
the problem I'm looking at.
Now let's get away on him and then get him put back. Well, there we go, James's third fish of the day, this time 8 pound 10 ounces. You know, James is just unstoppable today, what can I say? Well done, James.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, it's 3:05. Again, just having a few peanuts. There must be a lucky charm because James is in once again. Wow.
Dang fish won't even let me finish my sandwich.
Yeah, the dang fish won't even let him finish his sandwich. What can I say? Can't even eat without the carp interfering. Yeah, another fine common, look at that. Beautiful fish. There we go. 5 pound 6 ounces, 23 inches. James's latest capture. They just keep on coming. CarpQuest. Well, carp fans, as always at Pueblo, a storm's come blowing in. It's about 4:30, and we're trying to pack up and get out of here. So anyway, from this afternoon, good evening from CarpQuest.